Okay, welcome to our study BNTV. Today we are going to see how to solve some complex questions. Now we are going to start by solving this equation. This equation seems to be complex, but it is very easy. After solving it, you will see whether the complexity will be removed. After seeing this, make that you share the video and make it subscribe. Okay, after seeing this equation, first of all, we think about the difference of two squares. The difference of two squares seems to be as a square minus b square, which will be equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, after looking at here, we have a negative sign and we have an exponential equation. We're going to make it as a difference of two squares, so that we will see it is a 3 power x, okay, square. Make sure that this square can be divided by another 2, like this, so that the equation will not be changed. Minus 2 power x, again, square, again we divide by 2, to be equal to 65. Very good. Now, we are going to do some arrangement so that we have a square of two differences. We write here to be 3 power x over 2. This 2 will come here, okay, minus 2 power x over 2. Again, this 2 will come here to be equal to 65. Again, make sure that this 65 must be written as a product of its prime factors, so that this is 65 will be equal to 13 times 5 as its product of prime factors. Now, here we remark a difference of two squares as the formula shows. We write here to be 3 power x over 2 plus 2 power x over 2, okay, again, times 3 power x over 2 minus 2 power x over 2 to be equal to 13 times 5. As we see here, one factor is positive and another is negative. After looking at here, we get that the greater number will be this, instead of being this which contains negative sign. Meaning that this 13 will be equivalent to this equation, and this 5 will be equivalent to this expression. In that case, we write as 3 power x over 2 plus 2 power x over 2, here will be equal to 13, and 3 power x over 2 minus 2 power x over 2 will be equal to 5. At this step, we can solve this simultaneous equation by elimination method. Okay, here we multiply by 1 and multiply by 1. By this case, we simplify this to be removed. Here what we get? We get 3 power x over 2 and 3 power x over 2. By addition, we get that will be equal to 2 times 3 power x over 2 to be equal to this plus this will be equal to 18. Okay? Here we get 3 power x over 2 to be equal to 18. We divide by 2. Let us continue by this side. Okay? Very good. Now, since we have 3 power x over 2 will be equal to 18 over 2. Now we can get 3 power x over 2 to be equal to 9. As writing this 9 as the product of its prime factors, we will get that this 9 will be 3 power x over 2, which will be equal to 3 power 2. When you have the equation with the same base, we can simplify here like this, so that the powers will be equal. Here we get x over 2 to be equal to 2. And by cross multiplication, this will multiply here and this will multiply here to get x to be equal to 4. This will be the last answer for our equation. Thank you very much. Make share and subscribe if you are interested in this solution.